This is just a quick video on how to price doors for painting. As you know, there's different types of doors in the industry. There's flush doors, panel timber doors, and also glass panel doors as well. To work out how much it costs to paint a door, you need to know four things: the size of the door. In this case, the standard door size in Australia is 0.85 meters wide, and this includes one door edge, and it's 2.04 meters high. Then you need to know how many coats you're going to put on, the time to paint the door, and how much material you're going to use. To work out the area of the door, you multiply the height by the width, and it gives you the square meters. So 2.04 meters by 0.85 meters gives you an area of 1.734 square meters. So if you've got two coats, it's 1.734 multiplied by 2 gives you the 3.47 square meters, or three coats, 1.734 multiplied by 3 gives you 5.2 square meters. Now the material they're going to use, if you look at the back of the paint can, it will tell you how many square meters a litre will cover. So normally it's about 14 square meters. So to work out the paint, for one coat you have the 1.734 square meters for one coat divided by the 14 square meters by per litre. It gives you 12 mils of paint that you're going to use. Now if you have glass panel doors to paint, you still need to know the size of the door, how many coats, the time to paint it, and how much material. So you still work it out the same as a normal door. You still need to know the width, and you still need to know the height. So that will give you the area of the door. But all you have to do now is measure the inside of the glass and the height of the glass, and that will give you the area of that glass panel. And all you have to do then is subtract the glass area against the full area of the door, and that will give you the square meters of the surround. In this case, you can just measure up the size of the door and just take out the area of the panels inside. So let's calculate the painting of 15 doors. So we have the area of the doors, which we've worked out at 1.734. We've got 15 sides. So two sides gives you 30 doors. So you have a total of 52.02 square meters. Now the amount of coats, let's say I'm going to put 3 coats on, so 3 multiplied by 52.02 gives you 156.06 square meters in total. And time to paint, you've got 30 sides, 3 coats. Let's say we can paint them in 10 minutes per coat per side. So that gives you about 15 hours to paint them. Material, 156.06 square meters, so that's 52.02 multiplied by 3, divided by the spread rate of the material, which is 14 square meters per litre, gives you 11.15 litres of paint. Now the labour is 15 hours. Let's add on another couple of hours for smoko and a bit of preparation. Say you're charging out at $65 an hour, gives you a total of $1,105. The material, well, we'll have to buy a 10 litre and a 4 litre. Let's say it's $180 for example. So the total cost for painting 15 doors is $1,285. Now if you wanted to work out a per door, you can just divide that amount into 30 So if you've got 20 doors then, or 25 doors, you can multiply that one cost per door by the 20 or 30, whatever doors you have